Hair transplants have become increasingly popular in recent years as a solution for those suffering from hair loss. While the procedure can be effective in restoring a full head of hair, there are also dangers and risks associated with it that should not be overlooked. One of the main dangers of hair transplants is the potential for infection. Any surgical procedure carries a risk of infection, and hair transplants are no exception. Infections can occur at the site of the transplant, leading to pain, swelling, and even more serious complications if left untreated. By the way, if you're concerned about or are already losing your hair, check the description box of this video for help with regrowing your hair. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Another danger of hair transplants is the risk of scarring. While advancements in technology have made hair transplants less invasive than in the past, there is still a chance that scarring can occur. This can be particularly problematic for those who like to wear their hair short, as the scars may be visible. Hair transplants can also lead to a condition known as shock loss. This occurs when the transplanted hair falls out shortly after the procedure, before new hair begins to grow in its place. While this is usually temporary, it can be distressing for those who are expecting immediate results from their transplant. In addition to these dangers, there is also the risk of the transplant not taking as expected. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including poor surgical technique, inadequate blood supply to the transplanted follicles, or the body rejecting the transplanted hair. In some cases, this can result in the need for additional surgeries to correct the issue. Despite these dangers, there are steps that can be taken to minimize the risks associated with hair transplants. Choosing a reputable and experienced surgeon is key, as they will have the skills and knowledge necessary to perform the procedure safely and effectively. It is also important to follow all post-operative care instructions provided by the surgeon to reduce the risk of infection and promote proper healing. For those who are not comfortable with the risks associated with hair transplants, there are alternative options available for restoring hair. These include medications such as minoxidil and finasteride, which can help to slow or even reverse hair loss in some cases. There are also non-surgical treatments like platelet-rich plasma therapy and laser therapy that may be effective for some individuals. Ultimately, the decision to undergo a hair transplant is a personal one that should be made after careful consideration of the potential risks and benefits. While the procedure can be life-changing for those who are unhappy with their hair loss, it is important to be aware of the dangers involved and take steps to mitigate them. By doing so, individuals can achieve the results they desire while minimizing the risks associated with hair transplants. Want to learn more? Like this video and subscribe to this channel. And be sure to check the description box of this video for additional help with regrowing your hair, even if you're already losing it.